Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to my non-subscribers, subscribe and join the fun. For this first project, actually I'm making two. You will need this love sign and one of these hearts. Fill in the hole with spackling. I will be using vintage Victorian chalk paint. And take this box, flip it over, because I want to be able to hang it up. And I will Mod Podge this on here. This is so cute, just like this. I was thinking of taking this tree off and gluing the truck on the heart, but I like this just like this, even though it does remind me a little bit too much of Victoria's Secrets. I love it. For this one, I just put some washi tape on the bottom because I will apply Mod Podge here and this glitter. I cannot believe I found this glitter at the Dollar Tree. It is American Crafts and I love it. It's rose gold and it comes with a shaker top. How cool is that? I wish I would have bought them in every color. So I will Mod Podge glitter and I'll set up my projects. I really like this. I just like it plain like this. Okay, let's see what the other one looks like. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this glitter. I wish you could see this in person. It looks so gorgeous. Okay, on to the next craft. If you're like me, you probably have one of these signs and you've been holding on to it for a while trying to figure out what to do with it. I actually like it like it is, but I will take some foliage and just stuff it in between there. And I actually like it like this. I will cut off the bad parts of my stem and I will just keep going around and filling it all up and then I'll set it up. How easy is that project? And as you can see, I just hung it up on my rack. Then I made everything on that rack came from the Dollar Tree but the beads. I have a video on that. But I just love the simplicity of this love sign. Okay, on to the next project. For this next craft, you want one of these signs and 3 of these hearts. We will only use this top part. There's so many things you can do with this. I was thinking of making a box and putting flowers in it. That would be really, really pretty. But I want to make a sign. So I want to take these off, paint these with my vintage Victorian and paint the base white. Now that my paint is dry, I will hot glue these to the pink, place them on here. I want to place them so I have enough room up here to put a pretty ribbon and then I'll set it up. And there is the final project. You know I'm very lousy at making bows, but I still love it. Okay, on to the next project. I love these DIY rock painting kits, but this little paintbrush in here is not going to help. I do have a paintbrush pen that would work, but that's way too tedious. I just want to give this outline here more definition. So I will be using chalk. I did try it with the red one, or it was more pink, but it was too dark pink. So I am just going to take my white and I'm just going to color it in. You can see I kind of started to do this one. Just make sure you get in all the grooves and just take your finger and wipe it away. That looks so much better. So I'm going to finish this and show you the final project. And there is the final project. I love this and I can easily wash it off and change colors once I find a light pink chalk, but I'm loving it like this. How easy was that? Okay, until next time, take care of yourself and one another.